Hello kids, I'm back with another formula of minus 3 big friends. So minus 3 big friends formula is what? Minus god plus friend minus 10 plus 7. 10 is the god, 7 is the friend. Okay. I have 12 with me. I have to do minus 3. I just told you minus 3 is what? Minus 10 plus 7. Clear? Now, I have 11 with me. I have to do minus 3. Minus 10 plus 7. Clear? Now, I have to do a big question and a little complicated question. How am I going to do that? Oh, okay. So if I have to do 2 plus 3, small friend applied, add 3, add 8, big friend applied, now add 5, add god less friend, big friend applied. Now I have to do minus 3. Again, same thing, less god, add friend. Clear? I'm making you do complicated questions first because might be possible in first video you didn't get it, in second video you didn't get it. But these types of questions are there in Abacus. You should know like how to solve them, right? So this was a bigger complicated question. Now let's do a simple one. Add 7, add 2, less 8, add 7, add 10, less 7, less 3, less god, add 3. Okay. I am making this fast because these are direct questions, right? If I'll make them slow, you guys are also gonna get bored. Right? So you also do it fast, right? So minus 3, here it is. I had 11, I did minus 3, less god, add friend. Clear? Okay. I'll see you in the next video with minus 4. Okay. And when I started the big complicated questions first, I used to make you do easier big questions only. I started them because as we are growing, we have to know every type of question. So in I think one or two videos, I only made you do bigger complicated questions. But I think the kids will get confused at first. So I made bigger also and easier also, and then bigger also and complicated also. Okay. So if each one of you can get it according to your understanding. Okay. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.